Hello and welcome. This is my jogOS 1.5 development world here. And jogOS 1.5 is nearing completion. It's almost done. I know it's hard to believe, but well, it may not be hard to believe, but well, I don't know. I find it hard to believe because you know, I also I also fixed a major inconvenience with making a web server, and so now your scripts can actually be multi-line. Yeah. If we log in, this is the computer I used to actually develop it all and test things, and well, the big major thing I got working was applications. It actually works. There you go. And the way that works is I'll bring up the file stuff. Computer. I'll keep it minimized. So if you go in here, which is where that computer is, it's ID2. Go in here and in here. This is what? Why doesn't have? Why you know list test? Test in list. Test not in list. Why you do this? Okay. Maybe there are a few more bugs to iron out with that. Yeah. You didn't see any of that. But the way that works is anything in here should be listed out on the screen, and if you type in the name, it'll run the script. So this is the script we just had, and so if we open it, this is the code that it runs. It's actually redundant because if we open up a test instead, which should be on there but isn't, that's all it has, but it does the same thing because the part that clears the screen to the default black background white text is done automatically in jogOS now. Wasn't when I made that first example. The other thing is I actually did the jog docs in Paint, and they work okay. Okay, didn't save the text here, but if we then open it again, what? Huh. These are bugs that I'm only just learning about here. Let's open it. Text, please find it. Huh. Apparently it's not actually saving it because I don't know why, because the part that this is actually using the built-in script editor. Like, for example, if I do for, it has the syntax. So I don't know why it wouldn't be saving properly. But we've also got it for Paint, which again, I don't know why it wouldn't be working, because the part that's not working there is why is that there? I don't know. It's not an issue with it. It's just a part of it's just a file in the system. Oh, dang it. Need to right click and that, and look into this. Yeah. But yeah, like the code that's not working there is not code that I wrote. It's code built into Computer Craft, and so therefore I don't know why it wouldn't be working, because I can guarantee you that if I did that code just on its own in another computer without jogOS, it'd probably work perfectly fine. I don't know. In disk, that's probably the that's the only thing that I knew wasn't working before this. Because as you can see, there's clearly a disk drive right there, but it won't connect. And jogNet. Need to get the server running. As far as I know, this shouldn't work because this computer is set up terribly. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't turn the modem on, and I don't know why, because you know what? I'm gonna make it work right here, right now. I'm gonna force this computer to work no matter what it takes. I'm just gonna copy the page here. Copy. And I'm gonna put it in here for now. Dang it. Didn't want that. There we go. That works. Oh dear. And 13, oh, dang it. That hitting backspace does not work. I always forget that. And then we copy these. Copy. 13 and paste. And we don't need that in there anymore. And then we are gonna cut this. And we're gonna go into jogNet and server and web page, and we're gonna paste it in there. Control V works. And now we're gonna reboot this computer. Thanks. That is convenient. Absolutely peachy. Don't know why it wouldn't be working. Think I have an idea. Users, admin, notepad. Yeah, that'd be why. I should probably change that in the template section here, so I don't have to deal with it ever again. Because that is annoying. That is not set up properly. So now it should be working fine. Yes. Yes. Okay. As you saw, there's some GUI issues with the thing there, but I'll get around to that eventually. You know. Oh dear. Don't know why, but it doesn't work the first time. It always works the second time. I did some jogNet testing in another world earlier today. So if we... Oh, good God. I think I need to do this first. Okay. Huh. Oh dear. Oh man. This thing is yeah, got a lot to work on still. Oh, but the modem actually turns on now. That's good to know. Oh man. Let's bring this up. See if I can figure out the issue. It's most likely this, isn't it? Yeah, pretty sure that's it. Don't know why it didn't prompt me to give it a name when I tried to run it there. Should've. Don't know why it didn't. So if we run it. There we go. Now it's working. Yippee! So now if we search for test. Yes. What I actually did there is this broadcasted the message, test, hello test. Is there a web page named test out there? You know, any web servers named test? And this guy said, yes, my name is test. I will give you my files. And it read all the code from the web page scripts. Well, it only does the start file, and then it sent it through a red message to this computer. And then it opened that, put it in the file, ran the file, and then there you go. And then when it was done, it then deleted the web page out of the current web page folder so that it's completely clean and blank. However, it does have a cookies folder. However, unlike normal computers and internet, you don't have to enable cookies first. It just is enabled. And there's no way to disable it. Because, yeah. And using that, websites can keep track of information on the client computer. And also, while running the start scripts, the client computer can send a message to the server computer requesting more files from it. So if there's another file, like another external script, like how jognet is an external script from jogOS, then you can send those over too, and you can also send over just plain information. And so, like, if the server computer has, like, a database on it, you wouldn't need to use cookies. However, using cookies is more efficient because you're not clogging up RedNet. Just a bunch of villagers running around outside. Can't get in through the door because they can't hit enter on the computer, you silly little things. Even though I have managed to figure out how to send scripts between computers, I still don't exactly know how to get this computer to send commands to this turtle. Well, I think I figured it out at one point, but I forget. So yeah, it's a view into jogOS. If you type back, it goes back. And sets your name to back. My name is now back. I'm no longer jog. I am back. You got that? We do update, yeah. I'm probably gonna add a settings option so you can like change colors, although not likely because last time I tried to do that with jogOS, I never got it working, and don't know why you would want to change this amazing look because come on, that is masterpiece right there. Absolute masterpiece. Don't know why you'd want to change it all. It's all perfect. But I'm currently with the applications. The applications are shared among all users. However, I'm probably going to add the option to have applications be user specific. However, you don't have to download them off through JogNet if they're already installed on the computer. And so like it'll still have a public applications folder, but like you can't use the application unless you put it into your personal application folder. So yeah, jogOS is coming together. Anyways, I'm recording this after I did that update on my survival world there, and therefore and I didn't look up my hotkey to start recording, so I'm gonna have to go into my inventory at the end of the video. See you guys later. See, inventory.